Switching from iOS to Android can be an exciting and transformative experience, driven by a desire for customization or diverse hardware options. This guide simplifies the transition, covering essentials and key considerations, while presenting 8 effective methods for a seamless transfer. Part 1. Things to notice or do when switching from iPhone to Android. Customization, Android, apps, check. Purchases, verify. Backup, use tools. Sync, Google. Massage, disable. Themes, Android. Bookmarks, transfer. App Store, freedom. Security, set up. Updates, iOS. Battery, choose. Part 2. How to switch from iPhone to Android via transfer for mobile Swift. Should I switch from iPhone to Android via trusted utility? Absolutely. Mobican Transfer for Mobile is an exceptionally advanced software that enables seamless data exchange. Step 1. Initiate the software and get phones connected. Install this data transfer program on your computer. Connect your iPhone and Android to the computer using a USB cable. Then, allow the tool to identify your phones by following the on-screen prompts. Step 2. Set iPhone as the source, Android as the destination. Select data types. Step 3. Click Start Copy and monitor the transfer. Part 3. How to switch from Apple to Android via Google One. Install Google One, sign in, and go to Settings, Sync Settings. Enable sync for desired items. On your Android, sign in and restore from backup. Follow setup instructions. Part 4. How to move from iPhone to Android via Android switch. Turn off FaceTime and Massage. Activate SIM. Add Google account. And set up biometrics. Connect devices via cable or use the Android Switch app for wireless transfer. Select data types and tap Copy. Part 5. How to go from iPhone to Android via iTunes. Open iTunes, select Songs. Right-click and choose Show in Windows Explorer. Copy the songs, connect your Android, and paste them in the Music folder. Part 6. How to swap from iPhone to Android with iCloud. Go to iCloud in Settings, enable Contacts, then export them as a vCard. Log into Google Contacts, click Import, select the file, and click Import. Part 7. How to migrate from iPhone to Android via YouTube Music. Upload music to YouTube Music, then open iTunes, copy songs, connect your Android, go to the Music folder, and paste the songs. Part 8. How to change from iPhone to Android with Smart Switch Samsung only. Update iPhone. Backup to iCloud. Install Smart Switch on Samsung. Grant permissions. Select Receive Data, iPhone, iPad, and Transfer.